Stop it. You sound freaking gross, you weirdo. Sound like a retard. Ow! Hit me in the,
I hit you in the stomach, you.
No, you hit me in the hip. You hit me in the hip, not my stomach.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Whatever, loser. What are you playing? You're playing a loser game? I'm just kidding, I love this game.
You're fucking stupid.
This is like the best one they got. 2012 is awesome.
WWE train.
I know.
Motherfucker.
Look at that face. Guys, look at that facial expression. Oh, that's a guy that's about to win. Oh, bitch. He's like, oh, yeah, bitch.
Look at fucking one.
Look at that ugly face. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, man. It like tastes so good. Oh, yeah. It's like, oh, yeah.